What is going on, guys? It's CH from Homebrew for Life, and in this video we're going to be making beer can chicken in our oven, and we're going to be using Sierra Nevada's Pale Ale. The ingredients and directions will be in the description below. What we're going to do is we're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees. Now, while our oven is heating up, in a bowl, let's mix together 1 tablespoon rosemary, a 1/4 teaspoon paprika, 1/4 teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, and a pinch of both salt and pepper. Now, unwrap your chicken and empty out the gizzards or anything that's loose. Rinse the chicken with cool water and pat dry with a paper towel. Use a large baking dish. We're using a 19 by 13 inch baking pan in this video. And now what you're going to want to do is pour 1/3 of your can of pale ale beer into the dish. Now set the beer can with the remaining amount of beer in the center of the dish and place the chicken on top of it so it's sitting upright. Drizzle and rub cooking oil into the chicken just enough so that it's coated and that the spices will stick to it. Then rub the mixed spices all over the bird. Now place in the oven and cook for 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes is up, turn your temperature down to 350 and cook for a whole hour. When the bird is done, the breast meat should be at 165 degrees. Alright guys, that's it. Now carve it up and enjoy. If you guys like this video, please subscribe, thumbs up, and good luck with this, and I'll see you in another video.